What's up, members? You're going to see that I added UNH, United Health Group, to the portfolio. We currently only have a percentage of 0.61%, which is only $625, but my goal is to reach 5% within the portfolio as long as UNH is trading below $325 per share. That's my goal, is to continue adding to this. We're going to break down in detail why. You've seen the rest of my portfolio because it comes out once a week for you guys. But what I wanted to show you is that the Tesla gains, they are worth 7.59% of my allocation now because it is up over 57%, which is about $2,900 total in gains. Starbucks is trailing at 6%, Nike trailing at 13%. We will continue to add because we have set a max of 5% allocation to an individual stock, and if it goes up due to appreciation like Tesla did, then I just don't buy and I just continue to add to the trails. So basically, looking at Home Depot, you can see we have a 1% down on this, and then Google, we are finally up 7% on this. We are continuously dollar cost averaging. I want anything under 160, I will continue to buy Google, so we're going to let it sit at 12% for now, which is the only exception because I truly believe in Google, and I think long term I'm okay with having this allocation because every single Monday I add $750 to this FSPGX growth fund. BABA, I'm continuing to add. I just added $100 this week at a 1.43%. We're up 35%, so pretty good. Let's break down why I invested in UNH. So these are my reasons why I chose UNH for a strong long-term investment. First, it is an industry leader. It is the largest health insurer in the U.S. It's diversified with operations such as Optum for healthcare services, pharmacy, and data analytics. Vertical integration, which means it's more resilient to policy and regulatory shifts. Consistent earnings and revenue growth. Historically, UNH has provided double-digit earnings growth and solid revenue increases annually. Its dividend has grown steadily, so now I'm going to connect a nice dividend, and I need that dividend income for my portfolio. I don't make much money in my YouTube portfolio from dividends, so I wanted to add Home Depot and United Healthcare to complement that. Then you have the total addressable market. Healthcare spending is increasing, especially with the aging population. I want to have a stock that is invested within healthcare. I believe instead of buying a ETF that holds only maybe 7-8% of UNH, I wanted to have the stock that everybody has in their ETF or index fund. Defensive characteristics. Healthcare is a defensive sector. It's usually relatively stable, even though it's down 50%. So I view this as a long-term buying opportunity because I'm going to be holding this for over 20 years. Then I look at the predictable cash flow and scales against its macroeconomic shocks. What are the risks? You always have to think about the risks. You can't just buy something saying it's always going to be a good investment. Healthcare is a highly regulated industry, so changes in the Medicare forms, drug pricing controls, and public healthcare expansion could pressure those margins. I'm willing to take that risk because I feel like the market has priced it in already at a 50% cut. Election cycles often stir up uncertainty in this sector. And valuation risk. UNH is rarely cheap. It usually trades at a premium relative to the market, and people would buy high around the 600s. But as of mid-2025, the forward PE is 18 to 22. So for me, that's okay. Concentration risk, it says while UNH is diversified in healthcare, it's only one sector. That's why I'm maintaining a 5% allocation to United Healthcare. Let me know if you think United Healthcare is an investment that you are interested in. For me, I believe that 5% allocation is not risky. I think that is a good portfolio percentage, and the larger that my portfolio gets, 5% will grow into a $5,000 position, into a $10,000 position, into a $20,000 position, and continue from there. Members, this video is made just for you. I just want to show you my appreciation. It does not go unnoticed. You can see the members tab over here of everybody that supports and joins. You get the access to the membership only videos. So I appreciate you guys getting access to the break and retest strategy of Apple trade that I made over $200 on, plus the UNH strategy that I made $900 that day on, my 10-minute RSI trade to make $2,000, and then just different strategies that I have access to my Fidelity and crypto portfolio, all for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and supporting the channel.